Now we know all these four expansion formulae. First is x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into ax plus ab. Second formula is a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Third formula is a minus b bracket cube, that is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And the fourth expansion formula, a plus b plus c bracket square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So using this formulae, let us simplify some of the algebraic expression. So simplify. So first example, cube of 2a plus b minus cube of 2a minus b. To simplify this expression, we will use this second formula and third formula for a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube. So to expand the first bracket, we will use this formula a plus b bracket cube. As per the formula, expansion of this first bracket, cube of 2a plus 3 into square of 2a into b plus 3 into 2a into square of b plus cube of b minus cube of 2a minus b. We will write cube of this bracket below the expansion of this first bracket like this, minus into the square bracket we will write the cube of this 2a minus b, that is first term cube of 2a minus 3 into square of 2a into b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus cube of b. So now we will solve each term. So cube of 2a is 8a cube. Now we will solve this. Square of 2a is 4a square. 4a square into 3 into b, that is equal to 12a square b plus here 3 into 2a 6a into b square 6ab square plus cube of b is b cube minus expansion of this bracket, that is we will solve each term. Cube of 2a 8a cube minus 3 into square of 2a, that is 4a square into b, that comes 12a square b plus 3 into 2a into b square, it is 6ab square minus cube of b is b cube. Now we will remove this bracket, that is equal to 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus, when you will remove this bracket, make the sign of each term opposite, as there is minus sign outside the bracket. So minus 8a cube plus 12a square b minus 6ab square plus b cube. So here you can see that 8a cube minus 8a cube, the sum is 0. Then 12a square b plus 12a square b, the sum is 24a square b. Here 6ab square minus 6ab square, 0, and b cube plus b cube is 2b cube. So after simplifying these two brackets, we get this answer 24a square b plus 2b cube. Then let us solve one more example. Simplify x minus 2y plus 3 bracket square plus x plus 2y minus 3 bracket square. To simplify this expression, we will use this fourth formula for the expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. So we will expand each bracket. So for expansion of first bracket, x square plus 4y square plus 9. These are the squares of all these three terms. Then plus 2 into x into minus 2y plus 2 into minus 2y into 3 plus 2 into x into 3. This is the expansion of this first bracket plus expansion of this second bracket. Square of all these three terms is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 2 into first two terms, that is 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into minus 3 plus 2 into x into minus 3, that is equal to first three terms as it is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 2 into x. So x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus plus into minus is minus 2 into 2 4 x y. Here again plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 into 3 12 y plus 6 x. Then again first terms as it is plus here plus x square plus 4y square plus 9, all the terms are positive, therefore plus 2 into 2 4xy plus into minus minus 12y, and here plus into minus, that is minus 6x. When you write like this expansions of these two brackets one below another, then you get this like terms like this. So here x square plus x square 2x square, 4y square plus 4y square 8y square, 9 plus 9, that is 18, minus 4xy plus 4xy, the sum is 0, then minus 12y minus 12y, 12y, that is minus 24y, and 6x minus 6x 0. So this is the expansion of these two brackets.